Hello, good evening or good morning guys, wherever you are. In this video I will show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem on your Google Drive on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you don't have to open your Google Drive. You go first and open the settings of your device or your phone. So after this, go directly to apps or applications. Here, as you see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Drive or Google Drive. Then when you found it, click on it like this, and then it will open on this list. Go to storage option, then go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, also clear cache. I use it before, that's why I can't click on it. Then you have to back and go to here to force stop, also in the bottom of the screen, and I click on it before, that's why I can't use it now. So, and after this, go to Play Store and update your Google Drive if it's not updated. And the last things is to restart in your phone, and after this your problem will be solved correctly 100% on your Google Drive on your phone. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another videos.